Hold on tight, folks. Tesla's about to shake things up again. The Tesla Model Q is coming, and it's poised to be the company's latest entry-level electric vehicle, with production slated for the first half of 2025. Elon Musk and the Tesla team have already made it clear that their plans for new vehicles, including more affordable options, are right on track. Now, when you look at the Tesla Model Q, its production slated for right around 500,000 a year. The Model Q will combine Tesla's next-gen platform with elements from their current lineup, all produced alongside their flagship models. In short, the Model Q is set to deliver Tesla's signature innovation and style in a more wallet-friendly package. With 2025 just around the corner, it's time to ask, have you started saving for an electric vehicle yet? If not, the Model Q might just be the perfect excuse to start building up your EV nest egg. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. It's like getting a front row seat to all things tech without having to wait in line. The Tesla Model Q is a key part of Tesla's strategy to capture more of the EV market by targeting the entry-level segment. With an expected base price of around $25,000, the Model Q makes Tesla's cutting-edge technology and sustainable transportation accessible to a much wider audience. This price point is significantly lower than the Model Y, which starts at about $42,990, and the Model 3, which begins at $43,240. The Model Q is designed for cost-conscious consumers and will go head-to-head with rivals like the Chevrolet Bolt EV, priced at $27,455. By offering an affordable price without skimping on Tesla's signature performance, safety, and sleek design, the Model Q is set to greatly increase Tesla's market reach. So how does Tesla plan to bring the Model Q to market without compromising quality at such a low price? There are a few strategies involved, including mass production, simplified design, and breakthrough battery technology. Let's break it down. First, how can mass production help make Tesla's EVs more affordable? It's actually pretty simple. The more you produce, the cheaper each unit becomes. Tesla plans to manufacture the Model Q at its high-tech gigafactories, such as those in Shanghai, Berlin, and potentially other locations in the future. These factories are designed to optimize production efficiency by integrating battery production and vehicle assembly under one roof. This reduces transportation costs and speeds up manufacturing timelines. For example, Gigafactory Shanghai has the capacity to produce nearly 1 million vehicles a year, while Gigafactory Berlin focuses on the Model Y and is expected to reach 500,000 units annually. Both facilities play a critical role in Tesla's global production strategy, helping to drive down costs and support the affordability of new models like the Model Q. By leveraging economies of scale, automation, and local supply chains, Tesla can minimize manufacturing costs even further. With a projected annual sales volume of over 1.5 million Model Q units, the Model Q is positioned to become a game changer in Tesla's push for mass-market EVs, helping the company expand its market share and make sustainable mobility accessible to a broader audience. Next, can advanced battery technology help make the Model Q more affordable? Absolutely. Currently, the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y use nickel cobalt aluminum NCA batteries, which are known for their high energy density and suitability for Tesla's performance and range needs. These batteries are produced through a partnership with Panasonic. However, Tesla has been working to diversify its supply chain, incorporating other chemistries like nickel, cobalt, manganese in some markets. For reference, the battery costs for the Model 3 and Model Y are estimated to range from $10,000 to $12,000 depending on the configuration and battery size, with base prices starting at $43,240 for the Model 3 and $42,990 for the Model Y. Tesla is continuously working to lower battery costs to reduce vehicle prices. For the Model Q, Tesla plans to use lithium iron phosphate, LFP batteries, which are a more cost-feasible alternative. LFP batteries have a lower energy density but are cheaper to produce, more durable, and environmentally friendly. The energy density of LFP batteries ranges from 90 to 160 watts-hours per kilogram, compared to the 150 to 250 watt-hours per kilogram found in nickel-based batteries. Additionally, LFP batteries are about 20 to 30% cheaper to manufacture, which makes them an ideal choice for a budget-friendly vehicle like the Model Q. The Model Q's battery pack will be about 40% smaller than those in the Model 3 and Model Y, reducing battery costs by approximately 51% and helping contribute to the expected starting price of around $25,000. Before we go further, please don't forget to help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. Moving on, how does the Model Q's design balance aesthetics with affordability? The Model Q will take the best design elements of Tesla's current lineup and simplify them for a more affordable, efficiency-focused electric vehicle. Drawing inspiration from the Model 3, Model Y, and Cybertruck, the Model Q will be a compact, streamlined version that focuses on reducing complexity without losing Tesla's signature innovation. The body of the Model Q will feature sculpted lines to optimize airflow and reduce drag. The front will sport a sharp, slanted nose that directs air around the vehicle, while an integrated diffuser at the back will help stabilize airflow. Sculpted side panels will enhance the vehicle's appearance, creating the impression of fluid motion, even when the car is standing still. Additionally, the Model Q will likely feature smaller wheels in the 16-18-inch range, designed to reduce drag and improve energy efficiency. The wheels will probably be inspired by the disc-like design seen on the Model 3, further reducing resistance as air moves around them. The flush door handles will also help reduce drag, contributing to a smoother and more energy-efficient ride. With a drag coefficient of approximately 0.20 to 0.22, similar to the Model 3's 0.23, the Model Q will be one of the most efficient vehicles on the road. The Model Q will also be a compact vehicle, making it easier to maneuver in crowded urban environments. At a length of 165 to 173 inches, it's smaller than the Model 3, which measures 185 inches, making it perfect for tight city streets and narrow lanes. The turning radius will likely be under 32 feet, providing excellent maneuverability for stress-free driving in heavy traffic. Its smaller size will also result in a lower overall weight, which improves energy efficiency for both city and highway driving. Tesla will use lightweight alloys and advanced composites in the construction of the Model Q to keep its weight down while ensuring durability. Aluminum alloys, known for their strength and lightweight properties, will likely be used in the body and chassis to improve range and performance. Carbon fiber reinforced plastics and fiber reinforced polymers will probably be used in key areas, such as the door sills and roof frames. These materials help reduce weight while maintaining safety standards. The Model Q's curb weight is expected to fall between 2,500 and 2,800 pounds, which is 700 to 1,000 pounds less than the 3,500-pound Model 3. The reduction in weight could result in a 5-7% increase in energy efficiency, lowering energy consumption from 24 calories per 100 miles to about 22-23 calories per 100 miles. With its compact size and low drag, the Model Q will be an economical and eco-friendly choice for daily driving, particularly in urban areas where stop-and-go traffic is common. Do you think the Model Q could make rush hour traffic feel a little less chaotic? Comment 1 if you think so, or 2 if you disagree. Now let's talk about the Model Q's interior. Tesla has always embraced a minimalist design philosophy, and the Model Q will follow suit. The interior is expected to feature clean lines and functional elements that reflect Tesla's commitment to simplicity, all while keeping costs down. The dashboard will likely feature a simple, user-friendly design with fewer buttons and knobs, making the controls easy to operate. A centerpiece will be a central touchscreen ranging from 7 to 12 inches, offering HD or Full HD resolution and serving as the control hub for most functions. However, the overall setup will be streamlined to reduce complexity and ensure ease of use. Unlike higher-end Tesla models like the Model S and Model X, which come with large 17-inch screens, or the Model 3 and Model Y with 15-inch displays, The Model Q's screen will be smaller to help keep costs down. The infotainment system will likely be basic, offering essential functions like navigation, media controls, and access to Tesla's autopilot features, but it won't include the advanced options found in more premium models, such as customizable ambient lighting, upgraded navigation, or premium connectivity packages like live traffic visualization, satellite maps, and streaming services like Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. To keep the cost of the interior low, some features found in higher-end models will likely be omitted. Advanced features like adaptive climate control with a high-efficiency filtration system, premium sound systems, and heated and ventilated seats might not be available in the Model Q, focusing instead on providing a more basic but still functional driving experience. Similarly, the number of speakers in the audio system will likely be reduced. While the Model S and Model X have 22 speakers, and the Model 3 and Model Y feature 14, the Model Q might come with only 4 to 8 speakers to keep costs in check. While the audio quality will be decent, it may not have the same immersive surround sound that other models offer.